We recently got a call from one of our clients, who are an Italian well services company. Their client had a well that wasn't producing. It was suffering with low pressure as well as low returns, and they needed to fix it. They'd used our Hydropulse tool on a previous job, and it had worked well for them, so they came to us again this time. They were planning an acid injection to clear the damage that was cutting the well off from its own formation, forcing the acid in where it needed to go. Once that was done, a nitrogen lift would assist to carry the debris to surface, and the well could start producing again. When we spoke with our client, the asset owner had requested the Hydropulse be modified. Our standard model jets forward. The asset owner wanted to see jetting from the sides as well. We reviewed the application data the very same day. We found we could add a new upper section to the tool with side port, keeping the same oscillating design that already worked, just adding radial flow alongside the forward jetting. We then began manufacturing the same day we came up with the design. Our machine shop turned the necessary parts around in 2 days. A week after that first meeting, I flew to Naples and hand-delivered the finished tool to their office. The asset owner got to see it operate at surface and approved it on the spot. The job went ahead. Our client told us the tool had made a real difference. We know it worked because they now request the dual flow version as standard on every job. If you have an intervention coming up, talk to us before you commit to a tool.